Let us start with the reaction of metals with acids and bases. Now metals, when they react with acids, they produce metal salt and hydrogen gas. You can see the reaction acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Let us take some examples. That is, HCl reacts with Na to give NaCl and hydrogen gas. Similarly, H2SO4 reacts with potassium 2K gives K2SO4 plus H2. And similarly, nitric acid HNO3 that reacts with magnesium metal to give magnesium nitrate and hydrogen. So you can see that the metals have reacted with acids and produced metal salt along with hydrogen gas. Now let us move on for the reaction of metals with bases. Now metals react with bases to produce again metal salt and hydrogen gas. As we have seen that base reacts with metal to produce salt plus hydrogen gas. Let us understand with some kind of examples. That is, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, reacts with Zn, zinc to produce Na2ZnO2 called as sodium zincate and hydrogen. And the second example is NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, reacts with aluminium to produce sodium aluminate, that is NaAlO2 along with hydrogen. You need to remember that the reaction with bases are not possible with all the metals. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. Now the acids, reaction of acids with metal carbonates. Generally, metal carbonates react with acids to produce metal salt along with carbon dioxide gas. These metal carbonates, since it contain carbonates, so they release carbon dioxide. So whenever metal carbonate reacts with acid, metal carbonate gives metal salt plus releases carbon dioxide along with water. So let us take some example, that is sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl, that is sodium chloride, with carbon dioxide and water. And you can also see that the magnesium carbonate MgCO3 reacts with 2HCl to produce magnesium chloride plus CO2 plus H2O. So these are the two reactions of acids with metal carbonates. The metal hydrogen carbonates, which are generally called as metal bicarbonates, they also react with acids to produce the salt of metal releasing carbon dioxide gas. So you can see that metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives metal salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Again, let us understand with some examples that sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with HCl, hydrogen chloride, to give NaCl, that is sodium chloride, along with CO2 and H2O. And the second reaction is calcium hydrogen carbonate, CaHCO3 twice, reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce CaCl2, that is calcium chloride, releasing carbon dioxide and producing water. Hope this concept is also clear to you. Bases don't react with metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. So metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates, being basic in nature, they do not react again with a base. So generally, metal carbonates and bicarbonates have no reaction when they are reacted with base. Now let us understand the reaction of acids with bases. Acids generally react with bases to produce salt and water, and this kind of reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So generally, acid plus base gives salt plus H2O. The examples are in front of you. That is, the first reaction is HCl, strong acid, plus NaOH, a strong base, gives NaCl, sodium chloride, salt along with water. And the second example is sulfuric acid, H2SO4, reacts with calcium hydroxide called as slaked lime, CaOH twice, to produce calcium sulfate and water. Now let us move on in the reaction of metal oxides with acids. Generally, metal oxides react with acids to produce salt and water. Now, why they react with acids is they are generally basic in nature. So, this is again a type of neutralization reaction. The metal oxide plus acid, that gives you salt plus water. Let us understand with some examples. That is, MgO, magnesium oxide, reacts with HCl to give magnesium chloride, MgCl2, and H2O. Similarly, the second one, sodium oxide, Na2O, reacts with sulfuric acid, gives sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, as salt and produces water. Let's move on in the topic reaction of non-metal oxides with bases. Now, non-metal oxides, they react with bases to produce salt and water. Now, why they react with bases? They are generally acidic in nature. So again, it's a type of neutralization reaction. So non-metallic oxide plus base, that gives salt and water. So the byproduct in the neutralization reaction will always be water, H2O. Let us understand with some examples. The first example is carbon dioxide, CO2, reacts with sodium hydroxide, strong base, gives sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, and H2O. Similarly, the second reaction, CaOH twice, slated lime calcium hydroxide, reacts with carbon dioxide to give limestone, that is CaCO3, calcium carbonate, along with water. Hope this particular concepts of reaction of acids and base with metals are completely clear to you. So hope you have got the knowledge, and that's it for today. Thank you so much.